Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and here are the headlines for today's show. And we'll start with Halmstad and Bosted, who are establishing a green financing framework. And then some news from the warehouse sector, where Panattoni has started the construction of City Logistics Wood 6. Glinianka retail park near Warsaw is about to open. And in Budapest, Regis is opening a new office in one of the fastest growing districts of the capital. And now we'll return to Craig Smith, who is at the HOTCO conference in Vienna.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And Winston, thank you for the highlights for the Coffee with Craig show. Very exciting news today. We're here in Vienna at the HOTCO conference, where over 250 people are attending. A lot of, of course, all on the hotel sector for Central Eastern Europe, and really a lot of positive information. They're all coming back in now after the break, and so I wanted to do just a quick shot here. A lot going on. Next week, we've got our SCE Awards in Romania at the Radisson Hotel. So if you haven't booked a table yet, now is the time. We've got record number of nominations in, quite a lot of new companies coming, a lot of Western European and regional and local companies coming and on the jury. Big jury night on the Wednesday. Thursday morning, we've got panels on investment development covering office, residential, retail, and logistics. So having said that, we'll take a little break, a little bit of info on the SCE Awards, and then we'll be right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 18th Annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards, taking place April 6th at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. If you've not yet booked your tickets, corporate table, or sponsorship, now is the best time to do it. We have over 200 of the most active commercial real estate professionals attending, with over 40% of them flying in for the event. Then in the evening, we kick off the awards with opening cocktails and 5-star dinner and awards ceremony, then late night networking and celebration.
So here are the news highlights for today. And Halmstad has established a combined green and sustainability-linked financing framework. The framework will support Halmstad in achieving its climate targets of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 42% by 2030, in line with the Paris Agreement's ambition to limit global warming. The roadmap to reach the targets has been validated and approved by the Science Based Targets Initiative. And according to Adam Lindt, head of Treasury at Halmstad, the gravity of the climate crisis calls for real action from the global community. We are committed to take a leading role in the efforts of transitioning the property sector to a low-carbon and environmentally sustainable society. And moving to the logistics sector in Poland, and Panattoni started the development of a 25,000 square metre speculative space in Łódź. It's to be a brownfield development built on the site of a former gas bottling plant. City Logistics Wood 6 is to be certified under the BREEAM rating of excellent, and the developer is preparing the roofs for solar panel installations. And according to Panattoni, City Logistics centres combine an excellent urban location with maximum flexibility. Their compact modules allow for even small-scale operations, while their modern space is suitable for a variety of uses, from storage, light production, logistics to e-commerce, and even servicing operations. Staying in Poland and moving to the retail sector, and Jisk and Piękna Sukienia Grzybski are to join the latest tenants of Carrefour, Sinsay, Teddy, Kik, Pepco, and Rossmann in the soon-to-be-opened Glinianka retail park being developed on the outskirts of Warsaw. The new development will offer 10,000 square metres of gross GLA, and Scalio is responsible for renting the property, and Redcom Development is building the facility. And according to Anna Wojciechowska, senior leasing manager at Scalia, the inhabitants of Łubna and the surrounding area will be able to do most of the necessary shopping at home and will not have to use facilities located at a greater distance from their places of residence. One of the great aspects of retail parks established there. And finally for today, IWG, with brands including Spaces and Regis, is opening a state-of-the-art flexible workspace at 2 Park Be My City office and residential park located in one of Budapest's fastest growing districts. The opening is being delivered in partnership with the Lavinamix Group, who chose the IWG Flexible Workspace platform and has entered into a management agreement with the Regis brand. And according to Mark Dixon, CEO and founder of IWG, as the ongoing shift towards hybrid working accelerates, conventional office occupancy will continue to fall as businesses require less traditional space and return to flexible workspace instead. We are establishing a more robust and much needed footprint in Hungary with this latest opening. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.